Ingredients: Racipe. A4 hamburger buns, 8 ounces ground beef, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 2 medium onions, thinly sliced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 4 slices cheddar cheese, 2 lettuce leaves, 2 tomato slices, 2 pickle slices, mayonnaise or ketchup, optional. Prepare the grill or grill pan. Preheat a grill or grill pan to medium-high heat. 2. Form the patties. Divide the ground beef into 4 equal parts and shape each into a ball. Flatten each ball into a patty about 3/4 inch thick. 3. Season the patties. Sprinkle both sides of each patty with salt and pepper. 4. Grill the patties. Place the patties on the grill and cook for 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until they're cooked to your desired level of doneness. 5. Caramelize the onions. In a small saucepan, heat the oil over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and cook, stirring occasionally, until they're softened and caramelized, about 10 to 12 minutes. 6. Assemble the burgers. Once the patties are cooked, assemble the burgers by spreading mayonnaise or ketchup on the bottom bun, followed by a cooked patty, a slice of cheese, a few slices of onion, a lettuce leaf, a tomato slice, and finally the top bun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to us. Serve and enjoy. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious cheeseburger.